For our quick Christmas craft ornament for week 7, 1 1/4, 6 pieces at the Dollar Tree styrofoam balls. We'll only need 2 of these. String, twine, cord of some sort, or you may want to use yarn. I have baker's twine as well. You'll need 2 toothpicks, 1 paper clip, 2 of these like berries. These come off the berry bundles from Dollar Tree. I have some that's fell off, so you only need a couple. Now, I took a spot of glue and I put it onto that styrofoam ball. And that's just so that when I'm wrapping my string, I can get it to stay on there and not slide around. That helps wrapping it on this ball pretty quick. And then you would just wrap it on there just like you would if you were doing your yarn or twine, and just kind of wrap your ball. We're making us a crochet knitting ball. Once you get that covered, we'll move on and make our needles. Now that we've got our twine on our balls, or our yarn, whichever you chose, I made 2. So the first one we're going to do, we're going to make knit needles. I have 2 toothpicks here, and I'm going to use the more pointed side as the needle. I'm going to take the berry and just place a little bit of glue on that, and then that way it won't come loose whenever I put my toothpick on it. And I'll do the other the same, and just make a set. Put one on in there. I've already added the hanger, so just pick a side that looks suitable to you. You want to stick that down in there, just like you were putting them up. And voila, we have our knitting needles. And for this next one, we're going to make it into a crochet needle. So I'm going to use this paper clip. And the way I want to do it is, I think I want to take the one side and clip it, because I won't need it very long. I straightened that paper clip out and just formed it and bent it and cut off what I didn't need. In that bent area, we just want to make sure it's down in our ball. Figure out where it's going to work the best, and we're going to slide that in there. Voila, we have our little crochet hook on our ornament there, and we have our knitting. Here's you a perfect ornament and Christmas gift stocking stuffer and make to sell Christmas ornament. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. This is part of a 15-week series, so consider subscribing to the channel. Everyone who subscribes is part of my DIY team. Until the next DIY, I'll be crafting, y'all. This is Elizabeth, over and out. Bye, guys.